Good morning children, have a nice day. Today we are going to learn English grammar, lesson number 3, naming words. Here we are going to learn about some persons, places and some animals. Okay, all the animals. So see here, in the third chapter we are learning naming words for person, place, animals. But in the previous lesson we learned naming words for only things. So see here, some pictures I have drawn here. Okay, so you have to say the name of these pictures. This is just a recall for things. So what is the first I have drawn here? This is a chair. You all know this is a chair. So what is spelling for chair? C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay. So this is a naming word for chair. This object is having a name that is called as a chair, and chair is a naming word for things. See the next one, I have drawn here a jug. So spelling of jug is J-U-G. Jug. It is also a things. It is also a things. So it is naming word for things. See the next one. What is this? We all know this is a comb. For what purpose we will use the comb? For combing our hair. So spelling for comb, C-O-M-B, comb. This is also the naming word for things. What is the name for this object? Comb. And this object jug. And this object chair. These objects, these things are called as naming words. Ellathukkume or name undu. Okay. So the objects having their own names is called as a naming word for things. Now let us enter into the chapter. I have recalled the previous chapter things. Now we are moving to the new chapter, naming words, person, place, animals. Just see here, I have pasted some pictures over here. This is the pictures. See, first one is king. Second one, postman. Do you know postman? What he does? He brings letters to us. See the next one, she is a teacher. What she will do? She gives us knowledge. And the next person is doctor. What he does, when we fall sick, we meet the doctor to examine us. See here, now I am going to explain you naming words for persons. Okay, what are the persons we are seeing here? You just see here. This is a person who is called as a king. The second person is postman. Postman who delivers us letters. The third one is teacher. She gives us knowledge. She teaches us. Next one is doctor. When we fall sick, we go to the doctor to examine us. So again I am going to give some more examples for you. So what is the first I am going to say is, first we are seeing the naming of persons. We already saw king, then postman, teacher, doctor. Now I am going to take first as a milkman. Who is milkman? Milkman is a person who delivers us milk. Okay. Second one is policeman. Policeman. He is a person who maintains law and order. First we saw the milkman and policeman. Again I am going to write those persons here. Okay. See the third person I have told you, king. Fourth one is postman. Fifth one, teacher. Again doctor. These are the persons will come under the naming words of persons. இவங்க எல்லாருமே யாரு? Persons. Okay. So now second one is place. Now we are going to see the naming words for places. Second is naming words for places. See the places I have pasted here. First is the park. We know what is park. Okay, we go and play in the park. We swing a swing, and next one is the beach. Next one is the school. Why do we go to school? To learn good things. Next one is hospital. You know what is hospital. So these places are called as naming words. Okay, see again I will give two more examples. Seeing the examples for naming words for places, already we have seen. What is the first one? I have here it is pasted. This is the park. First one I am going to write here, park. P-A-R-K, park. You know what is park, isn't it? Next one is beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. Now the third one is school, very important for us. Okay, school. We go to school for getting a knowledge. So next is hospital. What is the next is hospital. We go to the hospital for examining, for curing us. Now see the fifth one. Extra I am going to do two examples I am going to give. The next one is bank. We know bank. Why we go to the bank? We deposit and withdraw money from the bank. So we goes to bank. Now sixth one is post office. Post office. Why do we go to the post office? To send the letters, and we also go for buying stamps, envelopes, postcards, etc. So this is the second one. These are called as the places. These are called as the naming word for places. Now let us move to the third one, that is naming word for animals. Naming words for animals. See the animals I have pasted here. First one is horse. Horse, you know horse. Okay. Second one, we can see in the park, beaches. In the beaches we can see the horses. Second one is lion. Who is lion? He is the king of the jungle. Next see the one small animal. He is a rabbit. Now see the huge animal. Who is he? He is an elephant. So these animals are naming words for animals. See the first one I am writing horse. What is this? Horse. Second one lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Third one rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Fourth one is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Now say the two examples for animals. Let us write cat. Come on, C-A-T, cat. And the sixth one I am going to write is dog. These are pet animals also. Okay, cat. Cat, what do cat do? Cat drinks the milk. But the dog? Dog is a faithful animal. So we have seen here some of the animals' name. So animals also have the names. So we know that already we have studied that things around us, whatever may be, persons, places, animals, things around us are called as naming words. See the first Roman letter here. Find naming words for people. What here mentioned here? You have to find the naming word for people in the following sentence. From this sentence you have to say which is the naming word for people. People, person, both are same. Okay. See the first sentence, my mother works in a bank. Where she is working? She is working in a bank. So here they have asked you, say the naming words for people. So who is the person over here? Mother. Yaringa person, mother. So mother is a naming word for person. See the second one, Seema eats an apple. So Seema is a name of a girl. So she is called as a naming word for person. Yaru naming word for person. See the next one, Navjot likes to fly kites. What they have asked, say only the naming words for people. So here Navjot is the name of a boy. So it is a naming word for person. Now see the next one, my uncle has a car. You know this uncle is a person. So here uncle is the name of a naming word for person. Next one, I went to the dentist yesterday. What is dentist? Who is dentist? Dentist is a person who look after our teeth. Okay. So he is called as a dentist. So dentist is a person. So what we will say, he is a naming word for people. So here we have learned only about the persons. So what are the persons here? We have mentioned mother, Seema, Navjot, uncle and dentist. These are the naming words for persons. So I am completing this chapter over here. I will see you on the next class. Okay, thank you.